On the right handlebar, there are two buttons, speed up with a plus sign and start and stop. This button right here starts and stops your machine. Now to start and stop, you just need to press it once and it will begin. To stop again, you press once and the machine will stop. In regulated mode, the speed up button will increase the stitches per inch. On the left handlebar, there are two buttons as well. One is the up-down button for the needle, and the second is the speed down button. The needle up-down button is very useful when bringing up the bobbin thread, as well as when you need to stop and adjust. By pressing the button once, the needle goes down. By pressing it once again, the needle comes up and you're free to move. In manual mode, which is the non-stitch regulated mode, the speed down button decreases the stitches per minute. In regulated mode, the speed down button decreases the stitches per inch.